Students, question number 5. What did you learn from the story? We have learned that we can win the goal by our hard work, or you can write, if we love our task means work, we can win the race. Now I am showing it. This is question number 5. Pay attention. We have learned that we can win the goal by our hard work, or you can write this, if we love our task, we can win the race. Good morning, students. Welcome back to the moral science class. Last week I have given page number 16 and 17 for your homework. So today I will go for correction. I have written something about them. Actually, doctor, lawyer, they all are our social friend. So 3-4 sentences I have written. You can write from here, or you can write on your own. You can copy from here in your interleaf copy. Now, first is doctor. Who is doctor? A doctor is considered. Considered means we are considering, we are agree to accept. That is called considering. Considered to be the God. Considered to be the God. Why? He saves our life. Is it? Doctor is a person who treat everyone. He is a person who treats everyone. And a doctor saves life of the patients. And also doctor saves life of the patients. You please go through with it. Some part I have underlined, please follow that. Writing very clearly. So, this is the doctor. He saves our life. He is our social friend. Now, about lawyer. He is a lawyer. He is also our social friend. Something I have written about lawyer. A lawyer, also called, here is, it starts from here. I have given some definition of lawyer. He is known as public solicitor. He is also called advocate, attorney, or solicitor. See, here I have written about lawyer. You can write from here. I hope if I read it will be helpful to you. A lawyer, also called an advocate, attorney, or solicitor. He is someone who practices law. If the case goes to court, he will represent. Represent means someone presenting behalf of somebody. Represent their client. I have given in the below somewhat meaning. Client is there. I will analyze it later. But now you write about lawyer. In court. A lawyer helps for justice. Justice means law. So this is about lawyer. Please see and write. It's very clearly written, and also I prompted. Okay. Now come about firefighter. Firefighter. He is also our social friend, and he saves our life, rescues. I have written a word rescue. Please check it. Rescue our life. 2 sentences only is there. Please write it about firefighter. Here is firefighter. This section, this is about lawyer. This is about firefighter. Here is some lines, few lines about sweeper. I am holding this. You write. This is about sweeper. I have made in a sentence. So these are the word meanings of some words. Please, very clearly I have written. You please write in your interleaf copy, not in the book. These are the word meanings. Please write in the interleaf copy. First is rescue. Rescue means save. Rescue means save. Rescue means save. Second is sanitation. Conditions relating to public health. Conditions relating to public health. Cleaning part. Very clearly I have written sanitation. Check it. Now number 3. Client. Client means a person using the services of lawyer. Using for lawyer or organization also. And here is shovel. In the red box, that is shovel, a tool used for moving coal or some heavy things. So these are the word meanings I am showing you. So students, we have learned from the story what is work, what is dedication. If we are responsible, we can win the race. Not even that. This good quotation, from this good quotation, not all of us can do great things, but we all can do small things. Everything we have learned. So I hope you all have enjoyed the story and you want to be Rita, isn't it? When the school will reopen, I will give you some works and I hope you will complete it and show me in a nice way. So my heartiest welcome and good wishes to you. Stay blessed. Bye bye.